Wow. Hello there again, welcome to my channel. Today's the peaches day. I've got these two peaches from a well-known reputable grower, which is a Blackmore Estate, and I'm very pleased with it. Now I had these trees nearly a year and a half. Obviously they don't deliver unless it's dormant, and I'm very pleased with it. Not disease, nothing. And the reason is I find that the fertilizer and the feed you give it to the tree sometimes can be like an antibiotic. Now here is the flat peach. So basically, if you want to grow a peach tree in UK and you like peaches, when you order your peach tree, obviously it comes dormant, just find a nice patch, sunny patch, dig the ground about 1.5 feet and about 2.5 feet wide, put a compost or a little bit of fertilizer in there, and make sure the when you plant it, I got this apricot here. Make sure when you plant it, see where it's grafted on. Make sure that's about 6-7 inches above the ground. And water it once a week and feed it once a month. I prefer to use manure, but now and then I give it a fish blood and bone, seaweed, chicken manure. The second part, spraying. I use a neem oil, which I've done a video of that and I put it on the YouTube. I use neem oil, and I use a couple of different methods as well, which I would do that another time. Have a look at the size of that peach over there. Look at the size of that. That's enormous compared to other flat peaches I've seen. Some of these are getting ripe. The size of that one. Let's have a look if it's ripe. No, it's not ripe yet. Nope. Just feel them. See if they're soft. Now this one is soft. So let's have a taste. Wow. That's absolutely beautiful. You can't get better than that. Look at the juice coming out of it, look. The amount of juice. Lovely. And if you want a big fruits, just take most of the flowers off and just leave enough flowers on there, because the amount of peaches this would grow, it would be a shame to waste it. So rather than wasting it, get a bigger fruits. Just thin the flowers out and you'll get a bigger fruits. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at the size of that one. It's got very nice distinctive peach flavor, and very, very sweet, and the skin is very soft. Lovely. Couple of weeks time I should start picking some of these fruits and eating them.